Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Math Nerd here. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to solve for area and perimeter and teach you what area and perimeter is. Some of you might already know what this is, so if that's true, then you can either not watch this video or just have it be a review. Have it your way. Area is the space inside a two-dimensional object. So a two-dimensional object is any object that has height and width. So a rectangle, that's kind of a bad rectangle, but yeah, a rectangle, for example, is a two-dimensional object because it has both height and width in it. So, now, how do you figure out what the area is? Because you know number lines, how you can have like 0, 1, 2, 3. But how would you like, let's say, what if you had two number lines on top of each other? It's sort of like a coordinate plane. But how do you find the value of the space inside of here? That might sound weird at first if you don't know what area or perimeter is, but it'll make sense when I start, which is now. So, let's say you have a rectangle that's 3 units tall and 5 units wide. So, you could just like put little dashes and pretend there's like squares in here and count them, but that would take a long time. You want to find a more simple way. So, real quick, let's take a 2 by 2 cube. So, you know that there's two spots, that it's too wide and too tall. Let's make those bigger until they're cubes. You can tell that it's multiplication because you have this group of 2 because it's too wide right here. And then you have 2 of those groups of 2. You have 2 groups of 2. So, because of this right here. This says that there's 2 groups of 2. So, that shows that it's just multiplication. And there's really nothing more to it than that. So, you just have to multiply the height and the width. So, it would be 3 times 5, and that equals 10. So, it would be 10 units squared. Now, we have this squared here. I'm not going to get a lot into exponents, but these are squares. They're 1 unit wide and 1 unit tall. So, yeah, they are, yeah, they're squares. So, put a squared there, or to the power of 2. Because there's 2 dimensions, multiply it. So yeah, I'm not going to get into exponents. I'll explain this more when I talk about exponents. So now you have 10 units squared. Wait, no. What is my brain doing? That is a 15. What am I thinking? 15 units squared. That's what I meant. Everything that I said about the exponents and stuff was correct, but not that it was 10 units squared. That's 15. Okay, so, now that you know what area is, you can look at that a couple more times. If you want, you can rewind the video. And now, let's see, let's do perimeter now. So, let's say you have it 3 tall and 5 wide again. Okay? Now, using logic of angles, if you know about them, using the logic of rectangles and of right angles, you know that this side is also 5 wide. Excuse me. I'm very tired. So, and then using the same logic, you know that this is 3. So now I need to. So, now how do we find the perimeter? And first of all, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the area well, the length, I should say, around or on the edge of a 2D object. So it's in one dimension. So it's how long this all is. All this thick line. So how do you figure that out? So you probably have already guessed by now. You just add this 3, this 5, this 3, and this 5. So what is the use of this? So first, what is the use of area? The use of area is so you can say your yard is kind of covered in dirt and you want to put in grass. You want to know how many square feet of grass to put in. So that would be why you're doing your area. And let's say you're still modifying your backyard and you want to put fence around it. You need to know how many feet of fence to put around it, and therefore you would need to know the perimeter, the area around it. So if you do the math and add all these edges right here, then uh, it would be 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 3 is 16. So, oops, that was a mistake. 5 times 2 plus, 3 times 2, because there's 2 3s and 2 5s, equals 16. So it would be 16 units. And you might think, like, why aren't you putting units squared? It's just units, because even though it does turn right there, it doesn't matter because you're not finding the space inside something, like a circle or something. You're finding the space inside. You're not finding the space inside at all. You're finding how long something is. Does that make sense? If it doesn't make sense, in the comment section below you can ask questions about that or area, if you have questions about area. So, that is basically the video. But first, before I end the video and do my outro, my amazing outro, I want to give you a challenge, and if you have an answer for the area and perimeter of this object, then put it in the comment section below. Okay, so this will be, I'm actually going to make this one, 5. So, this will be 8, and this will be 7. So, in the comment section below, tell me what you think the area is, and you don't have to do this, but if you think you know what the area is, put it in the comment section down below, and if you think you know what the perimeter is, which is going to be pretty easy, then put it in the comment section below. So, yeah, that's basically it. So, try to find the area and perimeter of this right here, and yeah. What just happened? I'm confused. Wait, what if we go like this? What? Okay, well, now that that's gone, I'm gonna destroy it even more. I'm just having a great time right now. Um, ugh, 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 ugh. Okay, it's gone now. Okay, just rewind the video and check it out again, because I completely deleted it from existence, even though technically it's not deleted, it's just that the pixels were getting too small. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below, and I will also tell you if you're correct or incorrect in the comment section below with your guess on the area and perimeter of the object that I just deleted. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya!